Merry meet magical souls, and welcome back to the most magical video of the year. It is Halloween month and I'm super excited to unbox the Witch's Roots box, so check them out in the comment section and description box down below so you guys can see all their amazing things. Without further ado, let's open this box. I'm so excited. The theme is so fitting, guys. It's called the Witch's Besom. During the sacred time of year, we spend a large part of our time focusing on our inner workings. This includes peering into the shadows, working with ancestral and spiritual guides, and using a variety of divinationary tools to bring clarity to our reality. It is vital that while we work through our practices during this time, we control the energies that surround us as well as the energy that resides within our sacred space. In this very special collection, we work with a variety of wonderful companions to assist us in cleansing our space so that we may bring in beneficial energies that we seek. The magical items in this box are as follows. Are we gonna have a cute little witch broom in here? For like our altar, that's gonna be so cute. So the witch's broom, also called the besom, has a cute little book of shadows artwork, guys. So cute. It says many witchcraft traditions and practices encourage making one's own realistic besom if possible. Otherwise, finding a broom to make as one's own is quite suitable. It is recommended that one's ceremonial besom be reserved only for ritual, nothing else. For good luck, always set any broom with its bristles pointing upwards handle on the ground. Super cool, guys. Little infos on that. And there's some blue sage, a book of shadows artwork, guys. Let me get a little closer. The lighting's coming through the sun. So we got some blue sage, guys. Cute little smudge stick to smudge away all those negative energies. And it looks like we have a cute little white spell candle. I just love how their beeswax candles are so nice. They just burn so clean and even, and these smaller ones are perfect for like a couple hours when you want to do some magic. Burn super quick. And then it looks like we also got the magical anointing oil for this month, guys. Do you guys like my robe? It's so cool. There's gonna be Halloween content posted on my Instagram. Let's see. Does that look good? I want a little bit of my hair peeking through. So it looks like the magical anointing oil is psychic besom, guys. Let's see what it smells like. I think I see rosemary or pine. Ooh, it smells good, and it smells like there's a little bit of eucalyptus maybe in there, so super strong. Can you guys see? Oh, that's cute, the little table. Could put the stuff on it too. Ooh, we got a rune for this month, guys. How cool. The last box came with the whole set of runes, and this one just came with a singular one. I wonder what this is. So this is the Protected Home Bind rune, guys. This rune was created exclusively for this collection. Placed within its design are the runes of Rado, Agos, Alto, and Asnu. I can't even pronounce any of that. These runes combine the energies of journey, protection, home, and intuition. This bind rune can be placed within your sachets or mojo bags or are used within any magical practice you feel called to include it in. So super cool. This would be good probably to put in the entrance of your home slyly, so you can do that. And it looks like we also have a big crystal, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. The biggest piece of like a clear tumblestone that you can get. Like, how cool is this, guys? It's so big. So to give you guys a little swatch, you can see the biggest piece of clear quartz that I ever have. It's so cool, guys. I love it. Thank you, Witch's Moon. And it looks like we also have a little amulet that we can wear too. Cleansing, home, journey, spirit, contact, protection, purity, and intuition. And oh, how cute. There's little like magical symbols with a little broom on this necklace. How cute is that? And then there also is a copal incense. And I hope this smells like how I bought some incense in the past, guys, because the copal smells so good. I'm so excited to smell this one. Oh my god, guys, this is one of my favorite scents. I cannot wait to burn this. It was in like a Native American packaging that I got it from, and the copal incense smelled so good when I burned it. And I think it was sandalwood and copal or something. It was like so good. So I just love everything that's in this witch's box, guys. I really wish we got a little besom broom, but I understand they probably can't fit a broom in this box. Thank you so much to the Witch's Moon for this amazing box for the month of October, for All Hallows Eve. I appreciate it. Everything is so magical in this Witch's Roots box, and cannot wait to work with this energy and read about the Witch's Besom in more depth on their knowledge. So be sure to check them out, guys. I'll have them linked down below below. They have a moon market and different subscription boxes that have such neat magical tools for us, and let them know that I sent you guys. They're going to be linked down below. Be sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below so you're always notified for future content. And like always guys, from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys always be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. And so it is. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.